Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I'm appreciating you. New viewers, subscribe. Today I got a really quick and easy recipe for you. This we can use for multiple other recipes, and that's why we're doing it. Also, I'm in Arizona and this makes sense to do it. This is going to be a Pico de Gallo recipe. So, really simple, really easy. We're using Roma tomatoes, about 1 cup chopped up, and I did remove the seeds out so that there's not a lot of juice in there. Pico de Gallo typically doesn't have a lot of juiciness to it. I've got a white onion, 1 cup chopped. I don't have any more jalapenos, or I'd show you, but that's a jalapeno seeded and much finer chopped than what I did the other stuff because I don't want big chunks of jalapeno, but that's 2 of those. This is fresh cilantro, and it's about 1/4 cup, and you can see I've just chopped that up with a really rough chop. This is the juice of about 2 limes, but call it one tablespoon. And then I have 1 teaspoon each of black pepper and sea salt. Really easy to do. All we got to do is combine them together, and this bowl is probably not going to be big enough, so let me get another bowl. As you can see, I grabbed a bigger bowl, so I'm just going to put the onion straight in there. As much of that in there as we can. Tomatoes. Peppers. Cilantro, the lime juice, and our salt and pepper. And we're just going to take a spoon and we'll just mix this up. When I get this all mixed up, we'll come back and show you what it looks like. There you have it. I gave it a mix for about 30 seconds. Didn't see the need to share that with you on camera, but that's all there is to it. You scoop this up, serve it however you want to serve it. Serve it with tacos, serve it on the top of a chicken, a nice baked or grilled chicken with a little bit of that on top is awesome. Salads, I use that somewhat regularly for salad dressing in place of that because you get the nice flavor from all the fresh vegetables. I'm not going to plate it on anything today other than the bowl. I will say if you're going to try to keep this, I wouldn't keep it for more than 2 days before it's going to start to probably not be so good. So use it quickly, don't make a ton. That's why that's just that amount. Otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what you do for your Pico de Gallo. And otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.